So, one of the things about sketching is that, yeah, I don't think we do it enough. As general artists, we're always working on some project. We're always kind of forced to do all this other stuff, especially if you're not, an industry professional who's doing this, 24/7. Sketching is one of those things that I find I really don't do that much. And so I actually am just going to do a little bit of a kind of process here of sketching. And I find like when I do my oil paints, the alla prima stuff is generally about 2 to 3 hours, and it's the equivalent of a sketch. And I don't do that enough in Photoshop. So here's a quick sketch. And one of the things that because I've been painting with traditional paints so long, I realize that I don't draw enough. I changed the way I draw. No longer am I forcing myself to draw and paint, with line work. And I used to do that a lot. Is everything was line work, but now I'm painting with blocks of color, where I'm dropping in large chunks of color to basically create the shape or whatever I want, and then I'm using other layers to basically create more form. And so with that idea in mind, I'm just getting in the Halloween spirit. I know it's a little early, but I wanted to kind of rough out a quick sketch here and essentially create something that I can either flesh out and turn into something a little bit more finalized, especially with my thesis project that I used to work on, or I can just put it off to the side once I'm done with it. And I think that with sketching is one of those things that we don't do often, especially if we're busy with, trying to making art to sell or trying to make art to do a number of different things. And so, that's something that I think we neglect. And especially since, one of the big things that I always, that I've learned over the course of plein air painting, is that, no matter what you do, it's generally how it reads. You don't have to have all those details. You don't have to have all that finite information in there. You just have to have a rough kind of idea of it in there. I mean, for example, I'm drawing stitching in here, and it's literally a line with some hash marks. And then from there, I'm going to add in a little bit of blood and things like that, just to kind of reinforce that, it was an open wound at one point in time. But that's the thing about sketching, is it doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be a piece that it's a fantastic, like it's your work. It's just one of those things that's in the background that, hey, you might go back to, and hey, you might never touch again. But it's a nice idea generation, and it's a nice kind of process of like getting stuff out there, getting it out of your head so that you can fill your palette with something else. And I think, doing a sketch like this is in Photoshop. It took me about an hour to do. I'm using one brush. I'm not really, spending a ton of time on detail. I'm just looking at how things are reading from that standpoint, and I see a lot of, drawings and stuff like that from, other content creators, and it's all this perfect kind of nice drawing, and everyone's working on, this beautiful stuff. And I don't think we realize that sometimes an ugly sketch is just enough and makes you feel good about yourself, and it is one of those things that we don't kind of use on social media. And so here's a sketch. It's simple. It's not the best in the world, but it gives me the idea. If I ever want to use it for something else, I can definitely go back and create a little bit more with it. And it gives me basically something to do for an hour. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hope you enjoy.